We love to cater to everyone's needs. That's why we try so hard to provide each and every one with great service. And we're happy to say it's paid off with a glowing 5-star review that we'd like to share with you right now. This is exactly why we try so hard to satisfy everyone we meet. When we receive glowing reviews like this one, it helps us to know that we're fulfilling our commitment to provide everyone with a first-class experience. Let us help you with our excellent service, backed by our years of experience. Come and see us today. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to doing business with you. Contact us anytime.